thing's cranking. That thing's gonna, oh my God, that thing is rotating hard. You getting that?
Yep. It's down.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's down. Are you getting on video?
Oh yeah, still recording.
Okay, you just missed it.
It's down again.
Is it down again, Keelan?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here, we're gonna turn north and go back straight at it again here, okay?
Yep.
Is it tone or is it more?
Nah, it's a ropey one. So it's a little elephant trunk. It's not very big. But God, I mean, there are locals everywhere out here on this thing now.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. I'm watching it right now. It revived itself.
I gotta watch the new one here though. Got it?
Oh yeah. Nice one too. Crap.
Told you it's probably gonna produce a large tornado.
5 p.m. on Saturday from 7 a.m.
Didn't it?
For more
Yeah.
info, go to
Pull up just a little bit and see how. Oh shit, it's in the town. It's in the town, it's hitting the town. It is in town. You getting the debris?
Ah.
Yeah, it's in the town. What town
Yeah.
is that? It's hitting the town.
I don't even know.
It's hitting Watkins. That's freaking Watkins.
Crap.
Still getting it? Getting it?
Hey, you with me?
Tornado is on the ground in Watkins. Large debris in the air. Big debris in
What?
the air. Watkins, Minnesota. Tornado is on the ground in the town. In Watkins.
Okay.
Eric, we got video of a piece of a roof going flying. The west side or the north side of Watkins. It's less. This thing is less than a mile from me.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Call ended.
Through here, it's big. That whole thing is on the ground right there. Oh, that thing's really spinning hard. You see that?
Hello.
Watkins, Minnesota just got hit with a tornado. It was less than a mile from us.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this one's gonna do some damage
Huh.
for sure. So I think you're okay. Am I in the way?
No. That thing is still spinning. Yep.
turn to the